In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to securely store API keys for Firebase functions using Google Secret Manager. Before we dive in, here's the big picture. We're going to enable an API in the Google Cloud Console and then securely store a secret using the Firebase CLI. This approach keeps sensitive values like API keys out of your codebase and version control, while giving your Firebase project a centralized, encrypted place to manage them. First, we'll enable the Secret Manager API for your Firebase project in the Google Cloud Console. Open the console and make sure you've selected the correct project linked to your Firebase app. This matters because enabling the API in the wrong project won't help your functions access the secret later. In the top search bar, type Secret Manager, open the result, and click Enable. If you see that it's already enabled, you're good to go. Depending on your organization, you might need sufficient permissions to enable services. So check with your project administrator if the Enable button isn't available. Once this API is active, your project can create, store, and manage secrets with proper encryption and access control. Next, we'll store your secret using the Firebase CLI. In your terminal, navigate to the root directory of your project so the CLI can read the correct Firebase configuration. Now run the command. Firebase functions. Secrets, set secret name. Replace secret name with a clear descriptive name for your key, such as Stripe API key. Stick to uppercase letters and underscores and avoid spaces. After running the command, you'll be prompted to enter the secret value securely. What you type won't be echoed to the screen, which is normal. Press Enter to confirm, and the CLI will create a new version of this secret in Secret Manager associated with your Firebase project. A few important notes to keep you safe and organized. This process stores your secret in Google Secret Manager, not in your repository or environment files, so it won't accidentally get committed. Each time you set the value, Secret Manager creates a new version, which helps with auditing and rollbacks. Access to the secret is protected by your project's permissions, and it's encrypted at rest. Use clear names so you can tell production and test values apart, for example by including a suffix like prod or staging if that fits your workflow. That's it. You've enabled the Secret Manager API and securely stored a secret with the Firebase CLI, laying the foundation for safe, maintainable configuration in your Firebase project.